Hello and welcome to Call Team 2019. We are so excited for you to join us on this journey. This is a brief guide for Men's Encounter and A to B, how to successfully complete your call team list. Prayer is the most important step to completing your list. Pray for the attendees who are on your list. Pray for their spouses and friends who you will contact. Pray for their homes and thank God for the divine appointments He is setting up, beginning with you. Oftentimes, call team is the very first contact with the family, and this is very important. In this video, we will cover how to get started, a step-by-step guide, how to handle situations such as the contact doesn't respond, attendees cancel, spouses don't wish to participate. Those little road bumps we hit along the way, we'll talk about how to handle those. And how to wrap up your list is very important to finish strong and let the call team leaders know that you have accomplished your mission. Start calls immediately. Do not wait. I cannot stress this enough. When you get your list, you need to start immediately. Do not wait for the next weekend, as that may not give loved ones enough time. The faster you start your list, the more time the loved ones will have to gather letters and get them mailed on time. It will also give you time, if we do hit one of those road bumps, to be able to contact Lynn or Rachel and get more information to successfully complete your list. Okay, so you have a contact that won't answer. What should you do now? Send them a detailed text. Sometimes people will not answer a number they do not know, but you can reach out to them in text. Do not list the surprises in case the attendee sees or hears the message. It is very important that you do not just send them a text with all the information. We want to actually make contact and discuss it with them. Whether you discuss via phone or via text, you need to have a discussion with them before you send the text message with the surprises and the addresses and deadlines. If they still won't respond, try the second contact, but be sure to let them know about the first contact. Many times they know the first contact and can help you get a hold of them, or they can get a hold of them themselves. We do not want a spouse to not be called. This is very important. Spouses can sometimes be tricky. Some spouses are absolutely excited that their husband or wife is attending Men's Encounter or A to B, and so you won't have to worry about this slide for those spouses. They will be eagerly awaiting your phone call. But sometimes that's not the case. Some of our calls might be sticky situations, including separation. If a spouse is separated, ask if they can provide another contact. If there are children involved, encourage them to have the children send love letters. Another contact can be mother, sister, brother, pastor, anyone they can think of who might be willing to gather love letters and help with the surprises. Hope is so important. If you can detect any hope for the marriage, encourage them that God is at work. Their letter may not look like the other letters, but it will speak loud and clear to their spouse during the encounter weekend. This is also a wonderful opportunity to pray. If they are open to it at all, take this time to pray for their marriage. If the contacts are still not responding, call the person who invited them. If there is not a person listed, let Lynn know immediately and she'll get you more information. Do not tell them about the surprises because it could be their first time too. Do tell them you're trying to get a hold of the contact to remind them to pray. They may know another number or way you can get in contact. If an attendee cancels, call or text Lynn immediately. There are always very limited availability on last minute signups and things that need to happen. So an empty bed is important to know about, so let Lynn know immediately. We will not transfer money to another encounter, but we will give a partial refund if asked. And Lynn's number is 417-349-5634. Be sure and save that in your contacts so you can get a hold of her for anything that you need during this process. Okay, closing. It is important to finish strong. I will remind you again to pray before you start, but also look for opportunities to pray with the contacts. Many are thankful to be prayed over, and it is exciting that God gives you an opportunity to be a part of what He's up to. Share the follow-up text. Lynn will send you a text with all the addresses and deadlines. Send that to the contact after you have spoken with them, not before. And also a call sheet. Be sure to go back to your call sheet and check the completed box. If you don't remember how to do that, check out the first video. Thank you so much for your help. We look forward to seeing those completed boxes checked and hearing about your exciting times on the call team. God bless.